we can live a better life together. For us, sustainability is not an option, but it's our business, which we have to assume to make sure that our posterity will be able to continue living on this unique blue planet. Therefore, we strive to preserve our blue planet by adopting the Blue Life approach at every stage from pre-production to end use. With the Blue Life approach, we attained Turkey's first ISO 9001 Quality Management System certificates in the ceramic and faucet industries in 1993. Turkey's first and the world's second ISO 14001 Environment Management System certificate in the ceramic industry in 1998. Turkey's first and the world's second ISO 14001 Environment Management System certificate in the faucet industry in 1999. The OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety System certificate for our ceramic sanitary ware production plant in 2008. The first TS ISO 50001 Energy Management System certificate in the Turkish ceramic industry in 2010. We became the first brand to produce furniture with Forest Stewardship Council certificate in 2011. And in 2012, we became the first ceramic sanitary ware producer in the world to acquire EPD Type 3 Environmental Product Declaration. In 2013, we attained OHSAS 18001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System certificate for our faucet production plant. We became the first faucet producer in Turkey to attain EPD Type 3 Environmental Product Declaration and the first producer brand to attain European Water Label certificate in the industry. In the same year, we published the first green bathroom solutions of the industry and started offering products in compliance with LEED, BREEAM, and DGNB Green Building Certificate systems. In 2014, we received Sustainability Incentive Award in the 3rd International Green Building Summit. We were also rewarded in the Large Scale Enterprises category in the Chevco Green Point Awards. We received the grand prize in Large Scale Enterprises Stone Soil Industry category in the Şahabettin Bilgisu Environment Awards of the Kocaeli Chamber of Industry, and we were announced as the winner of the Environment and Sustainability Management category in Istanbul Chamber of Industries Environment and Energy Awards, which assesses the practice of member industrial enterprises. We were the first bathroom furniture producer to attain the EPD Type 3 Environmental Product Declaration in Turkey. Moreover, we became the winner of the grand prize both in Turkey and in Europe in the management category of the European Business Awards for the Environment. Because we have a promise to the future.